Hello, this is USB Type-C to 3.5mm AUX audio adapter for Xiaomi Mi 9, Poco F3, 3.5mm headphone jack converter, and its quality is it is made up of high quality aluminum alloy material. The USB-C to AUX adapter is lightweight and durable. This USB-C to AUX adapter is small and lightweight, easy to carry. It can be used in your pocket, backpack or suitcase whenever you go out. No need to install any driver. Just plug in and play. Easy to use. And a small size is perfect for your home or office. I am recording this video without using this jack on my phone, and you can see the sound quality. And now I am just connecting it on my phone, and you can see the difference of the sound I am getting from this USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack, and it gives a really good quality sound with my